Okay, Dr. Crusher here. You in the audience don't realize that this is actually take 3. But you'll never know that unless I tell you, which I did. Anyway, Dr. Crusher here. What are we going to do, beautiful assistant?
Crush it.
Crush it. We're going to crush your math fears. My beautiful assistant is laughing. We're going to crush your math fears, and we're going to crush math problems. In particular, this math problem. 2 days ago, whenever we did the last video, we did adding decimal numbers. And the key procedure there was, beautiful assistant, do you remember? She doesn't. Align the decimal point. When you add decimal numbers, you align the decimal point. Now we're going to, I'm pointing there, so you're going to move it there, multiply decimal numbers. And again, that's a decimal in both those cases. That's 3.1 and that's 2.64. So we're going to be multiplying 3.1 and 2.64. Key to remember here, when you multiply decimal numbers, you do not, that's the procedure, do not align the decimal. Why? It's just too hard. Don't even try. You can't do it. Nobody does. Okay, so my beautiful assistant is going to follow me around where I've set something up in Excel, which is kind of a pseudo PowerPoint, if you will. Let me just bring it up. My beautiful assistant dropped my my mouse, and we're going to get to Excel. Here we are. Okay, as you can see, I have in bold 3.1 times 2.64 equals. And I'm going to go over again how estimating, without worrying about rounding, really gets you a good ballpark answer. So if we just take off the decimals, 3 times 2 is 6. If we take off the decimals and go up one number, 3 goes to 4, 2 goes to 3, 4 times 3 is 12. Notice that the bold is in the middle. That means our answer is in between 6 and 12. So already, without doing anything, just having a knowledge of how to multiply single-digit numbers, we have a very tight range for our answer. Okay, let's look at the next quote-unquote PowerPoint. I had said we're not going to align the decimal point. What we are going to do is add the total number of decimal places in the problem. 3.1 over here has 1 decimal place. After the decimal, there's 1 place. 2.64 has 2 decimal places after the decimal. That's a total of 1 plus 2 equals 3 decimal places. Notice that we've reduced, to some extent, the multiplication problem to a simple addition problem. Okay, let's move on. Here's the actual multiplication. It's the old, 50 years ago, I used to call it crisscross applesauce. 4 times 1, 6 times 1, 2 times 1, back to the top, do a dance step to the left, and whatever. You get 81, 84. That, of course, is not the answer. How do I know it's not the answer? The answer has to be in between 6 and 12. How many places are in the answer? There's 3. So the answer isn't 81, 84, but 8.183, And again, we didn't even need to do all that adding. All we had to do is remember our estimate. The answer was between 6 and 12. That's all for today. Hope you learned something. Hope you comment on the video. It's been real. Bye-bye.